So hold on. Okay, go on. How has it been since the day you were brutalized? Talk to us. How do you feel like getting out of Calabar?
Ah, I'm thankful to God for coming out of Calabar. It has not been easy for me. All the calls from people all over Nigeria, they have been calling me to say they have been seeing my picture, that they've seen me, the way they maltreated me, that what happened. But I thank God I'm back and I'm safe.
Okay. Were you threatened at any point by the military authorities? Were you threatened at any point by the military authorities in Calabar?
They didn't threaten me.
Okay, they did not threaten you. What were they telling you all that period you were with them? Were you intimidated?
No, I was not.
So what did they tell you when they called you to the office?
They didn't tell me anything, but they felt bad for what their colleagues did to me. So they were not in support of it. All of them, they were feeling bad.
Were you warned not to talk?
No, they never told me.
Okay. So how do you feel about the whole incident? What do you want to tell Nigeria?
Ever since the incident, I've not been myself.
You haven't been yourself?
Yes.
Why?
Because the whole thing, the trauma, each time I remember what the lady did to me, I feel embarrassed because she reduced me to nothing and the whole incident makes me feel bad.
So what do you want the government to do to her?
I can't say.
Okay. The law should take its course, right?
They should do whatever they want to do now.
All right, Lagos is waiting for you. You become very, very popular. Very, very popular. Your name is everywhere. Everywhere. It's a good thing that you did not fight back. What would be your advice to other youth corpers in their relationship with soldiers?
They should stop in whatever they are doing and they should respect whatever that is happening. Any way they can help themselves, they can help themselves. And my advice to them is that they should be strong, because now I know that the pressure is high on them because one of their colleague members is being dealt with. So my advice to them is to be strong and always fight for their rights.
Will you still support the NYC? People say they should scrap it because of things like this.
Yes, I will support them because at a point they helped me, they made sure I was safe. Yes, they took care of me. When they heard of the incident, they took care of me and they made sure I was safe.
All right.
By sending me back to my home, they made sure I'm safe and they said I should go back to my home so that I will be safe because the pressure is high in Calabar, that Calabar is no longer safe for me. They tried for me because they asked me to go home and rest.
Okay. So you're welcome back to Lagos.
Thank you.
God bless you.
Thank you.